Did you know that a smoothie can revitalize your energy levels in just minutes? Yeah, it's true. With the right ingredients, you can whip up a delicious berry protein smoothie that'll have you feeling energized and ready to tackle your day. So if you're dragging and need a boost, stick around. Hey there, smoothie lovers! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of berry protein smoothies and how they can give you that quick energy boost you crave. Berries are not only tasty, but they're also packed with nutrients that can help you feel more awake and alert. Plus, who doesn't love a refreshing smoothie? Let's explore how you can harness the power of berries to supercharge your energy levels. We've all been there. Around 2 p.m., you hit that dreaded energy slump. You know, the one where you find yourself reaching for unhealthy snacks or that extra cup of coffee only to crash an hour later. It's frustrating, right? Many people struggle with maintaining their energy levels throughout the day, and it's no wonder why. With busy schedules, stress, and sometimes not enough rest, we often depend on quick fixes that can lead to more problems down the line. But what if I told you there's a better way to keep your energy up without the sugar highs and crashes? All right, let's get into the 5 secrets of making the ultimate berry protein smoothie that'll keep your energy levels soaring. First up, choose the right berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that fight fatigue. Next, you want to add a good source of protein. Greek yogurt or plant-based protein powders work wonders in keeping you full and energized. Secret number 3 is all about adding healthy fats. Throw in some avocado or a spoonful of nut butter. This will help stabilize your energy levels and keep you satisfied for longer. Fourth, don't skip the greens. Spinach or kale can easily blend into your smoothie without changing the flavor too much, and they give you an extra nutrient boost. Finally, secret number 5 is timing. Drink your smoothie in the morning or as a mid-afternoon snack for the best energy results. Now, here's the standout secret that can totally transform your smoothie game: a splash of coconut water. This not only adds a delicious tropical flavor, but also hydrates you and replenishes electrolytes, making it a perfect addition for an energy boost. Combine that with your berries, protein, and a handful of greens, and you've got a powerhouse smoothie that's going to take your energy to the next level. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, to recap, we've covered 5 amazing secrets to creating an energy-boosting berry protein smoothie. Choose nutritious berries, add a protein source, include healthy fats, sneak in some greens, and hydrate with coconut water at the right time. These simple tips can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout your day. Give them a shot, and you'll be buzzing with energy in no time. I want to hear from you. What's your favorite smoothie recipe? Or have you tried any of these tips before? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, check out my other videos. Let's keep that energy up together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.